Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel EduTech 10. Today's topic is real numbers. Okay, in this video of introduction of real number. Real numbers. What is real number? Real numbers consist of all the rational and irrational numbers. The real number system has many subsets. First, natural numbers. Second, whole numbers. Third, integers. Second topic, natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers are the set of counting numbers which start from first. They are denoted by n. Example 1, 2, 3, etc. Third topic, whole numbers. What is whole numbers? Whole numbers are the set of numbers that include 0 plus the set of natural numbers. Examples 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Third topic, integers. An integer is a whole number in bracket, not a fractional number that can be positive, negative or zero. It is denoted by capital Z. For example, Z is equal to in bracket -3, -2, -1 and 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Fifth topic, rational numbers. Rational numbers are any numbers that can be expressed in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and b is equal to 0. They can always be expressed by using terminating decimals or repeating decimal. Examples 2 by 3, 6 by 7 and 1. Rational numbers have three parts. Terminating decimals. First, terminating decimals are decimals that contain a finite number of digits. For example, 36.8, 0.125, 4.5. Second, repeating decimals. Repeating decimals are decimals that contain a infinite number of digits. For example, 0.333 dash 7.689639 dash. Non-terminating decimals. Third, while expressing a fraction into a decimal by the division method, if the division process continues indefinitely, a and 0 remainder is never obtained, then such a decimal is called non-terminating decimal. Or another definition, a non-terminating decimal is a decimal never repeats. For example, 0.076923 dash 0.0582352 dash. Euclid division lemma, very important topic. Euclid division lemma states that for any two positive integers a and b, there exist integers q and r such that a is equal to b into q plus r, where 0 is equal to greater than r greater than b. Example, for a minus 15 b minus 3, it is observed that 15 minus 3 in bracket 5 plus 0, where q minus 5 and r minus 0. Lemma. What is lemma? A lemma is a proven statement used for providing another statement. Euclid division algorithm. Second important topic. What is algorithm? An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedures for solving a type of problem. Euclid division algorithm can be used to find the HCF of two numbers. It can also be used to find some common properties of numbers. To obtain the HCF of two positive integers, say C and D, with C is less than D, we have to follow the steps below. First steps, apply Euclid division lemma to C and D, so we find whole numbers Q and R such that C is equal to D into Q plus R. Step 2, if R is equal to 0, D is the HCF of C and D. If R does not equal to 0, apply the Euclid division lemma to D and R. Step 3, continue the process till the remainder is 0. The divisor at this stage will be the required of HCF. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is fundamental of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. This representation is called prime factorization of the number. This factorization is unique, apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Figure highest common factor HCF. The HCF of two numbers is equal to the product of the terms containing the least powers of common prime factors of two numbers. Okay. Second, lowest common multiple LCM. The LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the terms containing the greatest powers of all prime factors of the two numbers. Okay, you understand? Relationships between HCF and LCM. For any two positive integers a and b, HCF a b is into LCM a b is equal to a into b. For example, if a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6, HCF 3, 6 into LCM 3, 6 equal to 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 18, hence verified. By prime factorization, 26 is equal to 2 into 13, 91 is equal to 7 into 13. HCF 26, 91 is equal to 13. LCM 26, 91 is equal to 13 into 2 into 7 is equal to 26 into 7 is equal to 182. LCM into HCF is equal to 13 into 182 is equal to 2366. Product of two numbers is equal to 26 into 91 is equal to 2366. Hence, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay. Irrational numbers. Fourth important topic. Irrational numbers are any numbers that cannot be expressed as A by B forms. They are expressed as non-terminating, non-repeating decimals that go on forever without repeating a pattern. Examples of irrational numbers: 0.3433433334 is equal to root 2 pi. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.